Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So today you join me with something a little bit different. Today we're going to be reviewing my friend's Project RS Turbo. I know it's a little bit different on the channel, but I want to just try something a little bit different, and let's get into it. So I'm going to start off with the back of the car and just talk a bit about it. So as you can see, it's got a nice spoiler, blends in with the back of the car. These custom RS Turbo lights as well. They did make them on the standard Escorts as well, but these are like custom ones. You can get loads of these, they're still around, and they made them in 1986 to 1990. Looking at the boot, it's pretty solid. There's a little bit of stuff because he's still like fixing it up and that. The bumper looks really good. I love how it looks on the car. You've got my RS Turbo exhaust, as you can see, looks really good. Love the chrome on it as well. You got the 14-inch RS Turbo wheel. Really love the effect on it. It looks really. You got a little bit of like a body kit going along here, a bit like a mud flap, starting from here going onwards. Looks really good. You got the classic indicators, as you can see, and then the RS logo. And then the stickers going along here, they look really good, retro old stickers, as you can see. And the door handles are color coded as well, as you can see. Unfortunately, he stripped the front of the car down, and he's just like sorting the engine out and that, so that's not in the car at the moment. As you can see, it's got the 88 spec lights along here, and they look really brilliant as well. And then he's got one 90 spec light along here, and then side as well, just the same on the other side, to be honest. And then you got the body kit. Unfortunately, he's took the indicator off on this side, so that's not on it at the moment. You got the standard mirrors as well, look really good. I love the effect on them, they look so amazing. Look like really retro as well, as you can see. I will just show you the interior, and then I'll just talk to you about like the engine and that. So as you can see, we got nice car seats, look really amazing with the dotted interior, 88 spec interior. This is pretty rare, this interior is. And you've got a series 1 steering wheel, looks really good. You got the standard clocks, look really good. Unfortunately, he stripped down the dash as well because he's putting a new dash in it. So it's completely having a bit of like a restoration, rebuild. The back as well, it's got quite a bit of stuff. They do tend to watt as well along the sunroof. But the sunroof is pretty solid on this car, looks really good, and the floors and that, and the panel is pretty solid. Electric windows along here, and it looks really good as well. So I will just show you guys the engine and that. Oh guys, so this is part of the engine. He's going to rebuild and replace like the parts on it, because it is an old engine and it's been like off the road for quite a while as well. So he is taking the engine apart and just sorting out some stuff on it. So yeah, that was the walk around of my friend's Project RS Turbo. It is a little bit different on the channel, but I just want to try something out like a little bit different, and it's a retro like car as well. And I really like love the seats and that. It's just amazing. So make sure you guys like, share, comment and subscribe, and check me out on Twitter, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.